Today, we're looking at insane motorsports from around the world and asking one simple question.
Who's down to play? First clip. Oh,
Damn,
these ones are badass.
Whoa.
Oh, that was sick.
Damn, that fool's got some huevos.
Hell yeah, he does.
Holy cannoli. Dang. You know what I really like about this? This is a professional as takeover. We need more of that. Can we bring that to America?
They don't let us. They don't let us have the fun stuff.
This is called spinning, and spinning is a South African motorsport that grew out of honoring fallen comrades. It started in the 80s out of gangster culture. It's now an official motorsport that is recognized and regulated.
So I think your car doesn't have to be anything crazy to be able to do this besides not having a windshield.
This looks like it has a roll cage.
And he's not going into
windows.
the drift fast, so he's likely, obviously got something under the hood that's got a decent amount of power to be able to...
Not too much, but I mean the car's light.
Enough to be doing burnouts without having to like...
Yeah. These ones are having fun. I'm down to do it, but I'll be driving and you hang off the fucking car.
You know what? Why not?
Next clip. Yeah.
Let's take a look at that next clip.
Taking dudes?
It's what I thought it might be. Woo! Are you like Glamis or something, or?
Where is that even leading to? That's bad.
Yeah, you can't see the slope until you pan out. That's pretty crazy.
You gotta give me one of those they wrap around.
I'm gonna assume Glamis. I haven't really. Oh, yeah. Well.
That's the boys. It's having fun.
The boys. That's good old fashioned.
Then they wonder why we die so young.
We're here for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
That's gotta be pretty intense on.
That's a lot of power.
The engine. Yeah.
That's a lot of power. That's bad. Imagine we do that with our Civics. You get stuck. That shit
We
would
need
get
to do
stuck.
it like Dakar style though, like with the big wheels and stuff.
Our shit would get stuck. And here they go. The Americans.
The Americans.
Ha ha
Ba, 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 ba.
Americans.
Right there, we just make it 10 feet. They say that trucks and truckers in Europe are just built different. Let's see what happens when they end up on a racing circuit. Hey, I've seen this.
Oh, that's cool.
I thought I saw
Oh, look
this
at that
in-
fool without the
was it
shirt.
Japan,
That
I
fool look
thought.
cool as
That's pretty sick. That is,
cool.
yeah, that's super cool.
It's like telling the homie, hold my beer.
You can see as they're going around, they are building speed really fast, you know, which obviously your normal semis don't. Not just gearing, but also, you know, the engines generally run at lower RPM. So I'm really curious on what power plants they're using for this. That would be interesting to be able to get that kind of RPM build and speed build that fast.
The Euro Super Trucks feature up to 1,500 horsepower engines, and they can hit up to 100 miles per hour on the track.
Damn, that's crazy. The gearing must be nuts.
I like the wide body.
I know that.
Are
thing
they
is
using
sick.
super singles or two wheels? Super singles.
Super singles, the double?
The big one big ass.
Oh,
tire.
one big. Okay.
It's just one big ass tire.
No, look, two.
Oh,
Yeah. There's two.
Two wheels. I got this.
I think in Japan they do them with the little trucks, but they're
the K trucks.
Yeah.
That's tight. Honestly, that looks even badass.
It's crazy. You can even see they're like different setups too.
Do you want the coach to get you in?
Put me in.
Or you want to
coach.
sit on the bench?
Put me in. Put me in.
Put her in. Put us in. You know what? And put in this next clip.
And now for a Mechanic Minute, brought to you by Valvoline. Today, we're gonna show you how to replace a cracked oil pan. First things first, always keep an eye on your engine's oil level and watch for any potential leaks. So if you do have a leak, let's start with looking through the engine. The oil cap, maybe the valve cover seal as well, but in this case, our pan's cracked. So let's get under there. Drain the oil. Beautiful. Unbolt the pan. Now let's pry this guy off. Oh yeah, don't drop. Gaskets on, bolt her on. Tighten down all the bolts, let it sit for a little to let the gasket maker seat, and fill it up with oil. Today, we're using Valvoline Restore and Protect. This is the first and only motor oil to actively restore engines and protect against future damage. Restore and Protect removes up to 100% of engine killing deposits, restoring your engine to run like new. To learn more about Valvoline Restore and Protect, click the link below. And remember, the next time you crack your oil pan, you can definitely fix it yourself.
The caption says rest of the world Formula One. Meanwhile, in Mexico, isn't there there's a Formula One track in Mexico? Isn't there?
We don't exist, okay? Meanwhile,
There
Mexico.
are professional Mexican Formula One drivers. Like, what? Are we just gonna do?
Meanwhile, in Mexico, for me, if I had money, let's just say I had money, I'll probably put 2 motors. One in the front and one in the back. 2 LS swaps.
Honestly, that's probably the most economical and efficient powerhouse you can do.
Yeah.
Plus, the aftermarket's there. Parts are cheap.
You can swing that ass pretty hard.
You could swing that ass.
Mm-hmm.
Wherever you want. Okay, I've never driven a bus. Have you driven a bus?
Yeah.
Is it wild?
It's wild. It's wild. Especially when they're teaching you how to drive it. Let me tell you how it goes.
Okay.
So this is a shifter. The guy's like this, like. I'm like, well, damn, that feels. What are you shifting? He's like, you have to do it with style. In Spanish, he goes like, si no lo haces con estilo, no lo hagas. So it means if you don't do it with style, don't do it at all. He's like, look, it's like this, like this, like that. Okay, Sandro? And I'm like, so you don't grab? No, don't grab it like that. That's nasty. And I'm like, so I gotta go like that, Dick? Like serious? Like, I just imagine how these fools are driving it though.
Not like that.
These fools driving it like this, like first, second, third. Wait, back to second. Third again. I don't know. You know what time it is?
You know what time it is? No, it's my turn. Are you in or not?
You know.
I
Put
know
me
it. I
in,
know.
coach.
I don't even have to ask.
Put me
I don't even
in,
have
coach.
to ask. Next clip. Demonstrate.
Oh, we need to do that. We need to do that. I'm so rocky.
You think?
No, I swear to God.
You know what?
Look at this.
I'm gonna let you think that. Damn. that was a Chrysler minivan. Woo! Oh, in reverse.
Look at the ass. Look at the ass on that little car. Oh.
If you guys were to do a derby battle, what car would you use? How would you build it out?
I'm doing a Crown Vic.
Hey, Crown Vic. Yeah, same. Crown Vic.
Cops do it all day. That's the life of a cop is demolition derby.
Crown Vic.
Crown Vic. They're meant to take it, and then I'm LS swapping it
Whatever.
because it's
front end.
cheap and efficient.
Thanks. Oh hell yeah!
I
Look at all those Americans.
love this. Isn't the donut merch van a dodgy van?
It is. They gotta let me get my hands on that bad boy. You guys gotta bug them and tell them, hey, let Sandro with that van.
Just like that.
Yeah.
In the
let
comments.
him with that van.
Let Sandro.
Let him do something on that van. I wanna either we turbo that bad boy, take it to the track, have some fun. You guys wanna see that in LA, cruising around Long Beach?
Nitrous. You gotta
Nitrous or whatever you guys want, giving out merch. Tell the boys to let me touch that van, and we want to see that on the streets. So you know for a damn fact, Angie, that we're down to ride this.
down, down, down.
Make sure that we ride this van.
This next motorsport pushes some of the most powerful builds you'll ever see to their limit. Let's take a look.
God damn. Holy
Look at the mother-loving wheels. We got 2 engines. Look at the front tires. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my God, there's 4. Is there 4? There's 4 engines. Yes. That is so, man, that's so cool.
That looks
I don't know why
badass.
that's so cool, but it's just so cool. Like,
Where's the crowd at though? What the
no,
There's nobody
who's
there.
not going to watch this?
You guys gotta invite us. We'll go watch that.
I will drive out tonight to go see.
Well, this is where
On that
Tony's
moonshine.
episode of the horsepower comes in.
100%.
There you go. That's
100%. Hers.
You guys gotta go check that video out.
He's hired.
It's amazing.
Yeah,
Honestly,
check out the Hers video.
it changes your whole mentality about horsepower. This is super dope.
And this is a perfect demonstration.
Yeah, this is cool.
After you watch that video.
Invite Angie to be in the stands because the
Please
stands
do.
look kind of sad.
Yeah, you should definitely support. We need to keep this alive.
What size are the little wheels in the front?
Those are so tiny. They're like golf cart wheels.
Is supporting all that
It's
power?
like
That's crazy.
7-inch wheels.
That's tiny. It's cute.
Next clip.
Alaska doesn't get dark enough for fireworks on 4th of July, so they do this instead.
Okay, thank you, Michael.
Whoa!
What the
Oh my God. Where are they landing? They're gonna keep going.
me?
Ah! Ah! Oh my God!
Wait, somebody's in there?
Oh!
Okay, because I was about to say the only thing that wasn't down to
That's
ride.
what I was just gonna
was
say.
that-
I was like, listen.
I was
we've
down to
been
ride a lot of
down,
but not that.
but this is nuts.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I'm not even going to say it. I'm not going to say what I did, but that's cool. I'm so down. I'm down. That's actually pretty cool.
That's
Honestly,
kind of cool.
That's cool. Like how they set it up is, so they lock the steering wheel.
Right.
You could do it like with a belt or whatever. And just
They,
make sure
they
it's
had a
straight.
ratchet strap. There you
There you
go.
go. There you
yeah,
go.
Yeah, yeah.
So she's doing it.
Is the ratchet strap to the gap? No. What's he pulling? Because it's not to the steering.
Oh, I don't know what he's pulling. The way I think it should be done is you have the door open, you have the homie holding you with a belt, ready to pull you. So then you grab a rock and you put it on the gas pedal, and then that fool pulls you, and then the car just takes off and it goes right off the cliff.
Hypothetically,
just saying,
never done this
I've never done
before. If
But-
somebody was gonna do
that.
this.
That's how you would do it.
I mean, obviously, it's got to be having something to do with the acceleration,
Yeah,
but
that's
how they're
super
doing
cool.
it, yeah.
So we do have fun shit on this side.
Yeah,
So we don't get invited.
that's
We're not
well,
cool.
no,
We're not cool
yeah,
enough. We're not
yeah.
cool enough.
No, we're not rural enough.
Yeah. RMS, you guys are the great. Just
Yes, thanks for
Love you
watching.
guys. Subscribe, leave comments, do all the fun stuff.
We love you. Peace out.
Deuces.